Dear students, welcome to my class. So today I shall discuss the remaining portions of this chapter, that is basic verb forms. I have discussed the earlier pages. So today I shall discuss the last two pages of this chapter and the chapter will end today. So in my earlier class video, I have discussed about the verbs, list of verbs in which the two forms are identical, which is in page number 140 and 141. And I have marked some of the list of verbs which you have to learn. So in next page also there are list of verbs which is of the same rule. This one, two forms are identical. Till this much the list of verbs are identical. So look here, there are the list of verbs which I shall be reading now. Sweep, swept, swept, or swept, swept. So look carefully here, both the words are identical, means two forms are identical, means same. In next one, sunburn, sunburned, sunburned, or sunburned, sunburned. You can choose any one. Swing, swung, swung. Teach, taught, taught. Tell, told, told. Think, thought, thought. Tear, tore, torn. Understand, understood, understood. Vex, vexed, vexed. Or vexed, vexed. Wed, 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 or wedded, wedded. Weep, wept, wept. Went, wended, wended. Wet, 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 or wetted, wetted. Win, won, won. Wind, wound, wound. Withstand, withstood, withstood. Ring, rang, rang. Withhold, withheld, withheld. So till this much, this rule is followed. From here, page number 140 till page number 142, you will find the list of verbs which follow this rule. In the three pages, 140, 141 and 142, up to this much, two forms of the three are identical. Among the three are identical. So I have marked some of the verbs from this page. You mark it in your book and you have to learn this. I am the ones which I marked, I am repeating. I am telling, see here: sunburn, teach, tell, think, understand, weep, win, wind, withhold. Now there is a chart where list of verbs where all the three forms are identical. In earlier you have found that only two forms are identical up to this much, and these are the list of verbs where all the three forms are identical. See carefully. See, look, all the words are identical. Bet, bet, bet. Burst, burst, burst. Bust, bust, bust. Bead, bead, bead. Cast, cast, cast. Cut, cut, cut. Heat, heat, heat. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Let, let, let. Put, put, put. Quit, quit, quit. Read, read, read. Here the pronunciation changes. In the present form you have to say read. In the past and the past participle you have to change the pronunciation changes. Read, read. Next is set, set, set. Shed, shed, shed. Slit, slit, slit. Shut, shut, shut. Sublet, sublet, sublet. Thirst, thirst, thirst. Upset, upset, upset. These are the list of verbs where all the three forms are same. And I have marked some one which you have to learn. So I am reading the ones which I marked. One is burst. Next is bead, cut, heat, hurt, put, read, set, shed, shut, upset. So let's go to the last page of this chapter, 143. Here the question is, find 22 participle forms of irregular verbs. So here I have found out 22 past participles. So So first is quit. See here, this is a past participle. 1. bid, bid. Next is strung, strung, strung. Burnt, burnt, burnt. Drunk, drunk, drunk. Frozen, frozen, frozen. Mark carefully, circle it carefully. Next is known, known, known. Led, led, led. heard, heard. Next here you will find run, rung, run. Mark it carefully. Dug, dug, dug. bet, bet. Next is leapt, leapt. crept, crept. cast, cast. Next is sworn, sworn, sworn. From here you can get another word, worn, worn. Mark this one. Next is found, found, found. hurt, hurt. taken, taken. seen. taugst, taught. So there are 22 past participle forms. You solve it carefully, and if you can count it, you will find here 22 past participle forms. So the chapter ends here. So before that, let me tell you once again that these are the list of verbs where all the three forms are different. So where all the three forms are different, these verbs are known as irregular verbs. Irregular verbs do not follow the same rules as regular verbs for the simple past and the past participle forms. Means in irregular verbs, neither it matches with simple past nor with past participle. And regular verbs means most verbs in English are regular. Such verbs are regular verbs. Why? Because ed is added to the base form. Base form means these forms are the base form. The simple present form are the base form. And ed is added to make it past. See, these are the regular verbs. See, look, here also the look is there. Only you have to add ed. And after adding ed, it changes, it turns to simple past tense. And it is also the past participle form. So these are regular verbs, these are irregular verbs. These are also irregular. Next you will find here, in this list of verbs you will find the two forms are identical. Verbs in which two forms are identical. Till this much. Next is, these are the list of verbs where all the forms are identical. So you have to learn the ones which I marked. And the chapter ends here. So thank you and have a nice day.